Hi guys, welcome to my page. Please kindly hit the subscribe button for more topics in mathematics. Thank you. Today's topic is linear equation containing fraction. Now, you can easily solve an equation containing fraction by eliminating the fraction first and use balancing method to solve the equation. Also, when taking a quantity to the other side of an equation, its sign will change so that of its inverse. Now, what do I mean by the sign will change? For example, number 1, 2x over 3 minus 8 equals 5. Now, the first thing to do here is to collect like terms. Collect like terms by saying 2x over 3 equals 5 plus 8. So this is what I mean by when a quantity is taken to the other side of an equation, its sign will change. Now this is a minus sign. When it crosses to the other side, it changes to what? A positive sign. Now we have 2x over 3 equals 13. So after then, you cross multiply. Cross multiply by saying 2x multiplied by 1, which is 2x, equals 3 times 13, 39. The next step is to divide both sides by 2. Divide both sides by 2. Now, 2x divided by 2 equals 39 divided by 2. 2 cancel 2. So therefore, x equals 39 over 2, which equals to what? 19 and a half or 19.5. Do you understand? Now let's take a look at another example under linear equation containing fraction. Linear equation containing fraction. That's the topic. Example 2. Example 2. 3x plus 5 over 5 equals 4. Now, here in this case, this is also over 1. It can be written as over 1. You cross multiply. Cross multiply by saying 3x plus 5 multiplied by 1. That's 3x plus 5. 5 times 4, which is equals to 20. Now, the next thing to do is to collect like terms by saying 3x equals 20. This is a positive sign. If it crosses to the other side, it changes to a negative 5. So 3x equals 15. Now, to make the x the subject of the formula, I'm going to divide both sides by 3. Divide both sides by 3, which means 3x over 3 equals 15 over 3. 3 cancel 3. X equals 15 over 3, which equals what? 5. Example 3. Example 3. Example 3. Example 3. Example 3 question says 3x minus 6 equals x over 2 minus 4. Now, looking at this question, 3x and x over 2 are siblings. Why 6 and 4 are also what? Siblings. So now, the first thing to do is to collect like terms. Collect like terms. So 3x, there's a positive sign here, an invisible positive sign. If it crosses the other side, it changes to a negative. A negative x over 2 equals a negative 4. This is a negative 6. If it crosses to the other side, it changes to a positive 6. So now we have 3x minus x over 2 equals minus 4 plus 6. Now, to remove this x, we multiply both sides by 2. But before then, I'm going to solve this. So that gives 3x minus x over 2 equals, now, in our previous class, I told you that minus means you are owing, while plus means you have. Now, this is minus 4 plus 6. I'm owing 4 naira and I have 6. Now, if I remove this 4 from 6, how much do I have left? That means your answer should be in a positive way. It means I have 2 left, a positive 2. Now, to remove this, you multiply both sides by 2. You multiply both sides by 2. Now we have 2 into brackets 3x minus 2 into brackets x over 2 equals to 2. 2 multiplied by 3 is 6x. This cancel this. We have minus x. Don't forget we're also multiplying this part by 2 because we are multiplying both sides by 2. 2 multiplied by 2, that gives what? 4. Now, 6x minus 6x gives what? 5x equals 4. Now, the next thing to do is to divide both sides by 5. Divide both sides by 5. So here we have 5x over 5 equals 4 over 5. This cancels this. So therefore, x equals 4 over 5. Do you understand? Do you understand? Class tax. Let's take a look at class tax under linear equation containing fraction. Class tax. class tax. Question 1. Now, I'm going to be writing out the question. In order for us to do the correction of each question, I'm going to be counting 1 to 10. Now, question 1 says 15 over x equals 3. After the count of 10, we are going to solve the correction. I'm going to solve the correction after the count of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So let's look at the correction. In this case, the first thing to do here is to cross multiply. Cross multiply. Cross multiply by saying 15 over x equals 3 over 1. I'm going to cross multiply. So here we have x times 3, which is 3x equals 15. Now, to make the x the subject of the formula, you divide both sides by 15. Divide both sides by 3. So here we have 3x over 3 equals 15 over 3. 3 cancel 3. Your x equals 15 over 3. 3 here 1. 3 in 15. That means x equals to what? 5. X equals to 5. Question 2. Question 2. Question 2. Question 2 says 3 over x plus 2 equals 5. 3 over x plus 2 equals 5. After the count of 10, I'm going to solve the correction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, the first thing here is to collect like terms. Collect like terms. Collect like terms. Now, here we have 3 over x equals 5. This is a positive 2. If it crosses to the other side, it changes to what? A negative 2. So, we have 3x equals 3. The next thing to do is to cross multiply. Cross multiply by saying 3 over x equals 3 over 1. This cross multiply this. X times 3, 3x equals 3 times 1, which is 3. Now, to make x the subject of the formula, I will divide both sides by 3. Divide both sides by 3. So now we have, this is divided by 3 over 3. 3 cross 1 cancel 3. X, so therefore x equals 3 divided by 3, which equals 1. Do you understand? Do you understand? Now let's solve the last class task under linear equation containing fraction. The last class task under linear equation containing fraction. Number 3. Question 3. Question 3. Four minus y over 5 equals 3. 4 minus y over 5 equals 3. After the count of 10, I will solve the correction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, the first thing to do here is to cross multiply. Cross multiply. 4 minus y multiplied by 1. There's an invincible over 1 here. That gives 4 minus y equals 5 times 3, which is 15. Now, the next step is to collect like terms. 4 plus 4 and 15 are siblings. So here we have minus y equals 15. There's a positive 4 here, an invisible positive sign. If it crosses to the other side, it changes to what? A negative 4. So now, y, which is negative y, equals 15 minus 4, 11. Now, to make the y the subject of the formula, we divide both sides by minus. Divide both sides by minus 1. Because the coefficient of this y here is 1. So now, that means minus y divided by minus equals 11 divided by minus. This cancels this. So therefore, y equals minus 11. Do you understand? Do you understand? Thank you for tuning to my videos. Please kindly subscribe to my channels for more topics in mathematics. Thank you.